This is the basic screen of the Deye 12 kW hybrid solar inverter. The basic screen shows how the current energy is distributed in the home. 1.37 kW is currently produced on the roof, which flows into the inverter. The inverter is used for the direct consumption of the house, and the rest is stored in the battery. Each of these fields can be clicked for more detailed information. The solar array currently consists of two independent strings. One produces 910, the other one 450. Today generated energy is actual 3.3 kWh. It can also be displayed in the form of a graph. Daily routine. Monthly. Annual. This converter is relatively new. He doesn't have much made yet. Next icon with the battery shows the state of charge, current, voltage, temperature and so. The inverter communicates with the battery via battery management system. I can show you how to do it in later videos. Current settings of maximum charging and discharging current from batteries. Next icon shows connection to grid. Inverter tries to balance so that we do not buy anything and do not sell anything to and from the network unless it is necessary. However, it cannot be adjusted completely to zero. There are still some little flows there. The situation shown on the chart. Last one shows consumption of the house. The inverter is three-phase, so on the individual phase, we see info, voltage and consumption in watts. Also displayed on the graph. And we can show all parameters like this at once. In the next video, we will show how to set individual parameters in such a menu.